Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my in-season fruits and vegetables for the month of July. If you are new to my channel, this is a series I'm doing where I share a list with you guys of all the produce that's in season this month, along with recipe ideas inspired by those fruits and vegetables, as well as a few tips on how to select the best and freshest fruits and vegetables. And really quick before I dive in, I want to tell you guys about the July campaign that Grow Collaborative has going. You guys know that I get all of my all-natural cleaning products and laundry detergent and all that kind of stuff from Grow Collaborative because I just really love how their company works. But they have an amazing campaign they shared with my subscribers. Right now, for anyone who is a new customer, they will send a MRS Meyer's Trio, a hand soap, hand lotion, and dish soap, along with, which is the reason I'm tying it into this video, is a caddy. It's a cleaning caddy which you can just fill with a couple cleaning products, but I really love my cleaning caddy for a different purpose, and I will tell you why a little bit later in this video. So anyways, as always, I will start with my Betty Crocker cooking calendar. This book is falling apart, as you see. By the way, I had a giveaway last month and Crystal won a copy I found at a local bookstore here. So Crystal, I hope you are enjoying your cooking calendar. And if any of you want me to do other giveaways like that, let me know in the comments down below, as well as giving this video a like. Mine is really old. It is like falling apart. So at the beginning of each month, they always tell you a few different tasks to do. So the inspiration for this month is to try to avoid using the stove or oven to heat up your house. So it says to think of favorite hot weather foods like salads, lean meats, and vegetables can make a yummy sandwich, stuff like that. It also says you can kind of make a twist on these foods by adding a touch of fresh herbs, which I think is a really fun idea, and that you can start your own herb garden at home, which is what I'm using my cleaning caddy for. It's like the perfect thing for 3 packets of herbs. I just buy them for $1.99 over at Trader Joe's, and 3 of them fit perfectly into it, and it's just the cutest little herb garden. I have 2 now, so I'm really excited to start getting other herbs. Tarragon is one of my favorites, so I really want to get some of that. They say to start small with a few herbs. It can be just as fun as a whole garden full, which I agree. It just fits right in my kitchen windowsill perfectly, and I really love having them right on hand like that. It also encourages you guys to just take advantage of the hot summer weather and pack picnics, go outside and do barbecues, just anything to get you out of the house and enjoying the weather while it lasts. So July's red letter foods, which are the most plentiful, the most easily available, are greens and berries. And plentiful vegetables are beans, lima and green, beets, cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, corn, eggplant, and greens. Mushrooms, onions, peas, peppers, and they're talking about green onions, potatoes, rutabaga, summer squashes, tomatoes, and turnips. Plentiful fruits. Apricots, bananas, blueberries, cherries, grapes, limes, melons, especially watermelon, oranges, peaches, pears, pineapples, plums, raspberries, rhubarb, and strawberries. And I'm definitely going to be going out and getting me a watermelon soon because I love that. Abundant greens for summer. When cooked, 1 pound serves 3. For salads, 1 head or 1 pound serves. The type of green that I'm enjoying most right now is arugula. I just love the taste of it. It's a really light taste, but then it almost has like a little peppery kick to it. I love it just plain with a little ranch or on my burgers. It's so good. I really love it. So if you guys have never tried arugula before, I encourage you to go and pick some up. You guys will really love trying it. I love trying new things all the time. Okay, so now for the vintage recipe inspiration. Berry Luscious. Betty Crocker has a website, and I think that this one is probably still on it. So you can always go look up any recipes there. Boysenberry cobbler, that sounds good. We have tons of boysenberries in our freezer. And a quick to fix lunch. They have a fresh spinach salad, which sounds good. Skillet lamb and spinach. Eggs Florentine, so it looks like it's kind of an egg mixture baked in a ramekin with some greens. Fruit parfaits, which sounds really fun. Basically fruit and vanilla ice cream in a parfait glass. Colorful picnic salads. Kidney bean salad, gourmet potato salad, and coleslaw. And that's it. That was actually pretty short, and I think it's because they're encouraging you to use quicker meals and not use the stove or oven as much, because if you think about it, back in that day, there wasn't AC. At least I don't think there was. It might have been brand new, but so I imagine cooking anything indoors would make your house really, really hot. So they probably tried to avoid that at all costs in the hottest months. So I usually share recipe inspiration from the Martha Stewart Everyday Food, and usually I have 2 or 3 of these, but July and August are paired together, so I thought I would read one of them in July and one of them in August. But don't worry, instead of just reading off the recipes of what's in season, I will add a few more that are in the book that have to do with barbecuing outside. So in season are wax beans. I have never tried these before. I'm sure they're good, but I don't know, has anyone had them? Are they really good? Let me know. Anyways, they have roasted peanuts, wax beans with cilantro, chicken cutlets with wax beans, chickpeas, and spinach, wax bean salad with chorizo, that looks good, 2-bean salad with roasted potatoes and bacon, that looks good too, and sweet pickled wax beans. And now let's share a few grilling recipes. Okay, well here's a fun one. This is something my family used to always do. We would get like a loaf of French bread and just make sub sandwiches, and that's one of my favorite childhood memories, is just everyone cutting into the same sandwich and sharing it. Makes it really easy to pack on picnics because you can just put it back in the French bread bag, and there's so many things you can do with that. I do that every year at least once, take one of those sandwiches on a picnic, and it sounds really good. I think I'm gonna do it again soon. Let's see. Okay, and this is the section that I really wanted to share, and as I've shared in the past, if any of these recipes sound good to you, they are still all on the Martha Stewart website, so you guys can just type in the titles and make them for yourselves at home. Okay, so burger time. This one is bistro sliders with pickled onions. Looks really yummy. And then lamb burgers, so you can try to switch it up using a different meat. I bet that would be really good. This one is a chicken cutlet burger, so it actually has a piece of grilled chicken. I would guess it was a thigh because I know the pieces of meat with either skin on or more fat grill better. They're not as dry, so I wouldn't do chicken breast. I would try a piece of thigh. Pork burgers with peppers. That sounds really good. Aussie burgers have like a slice of beet in there. Very interesting. And veggie burgers, which actually this looks really refreshing and light for a summer meal. It has a veggie patty that has sprouts and avocado, and that looks really good too. And then I would like to add, a personal favorite is to do a burger with brie and arugula and maybe some grilled onions. Oh, that sounds so good to me right now. Also, yesterday was the 4th of July, so we did end up grilling some hamburgers out back, and they turned out so good. But one of the reasons I really loved it is because I got the organic buns from Trader Joe's, and they were amazing. So if you guys have Trader Joe's, you need to go and try those buns because they are so good, and they're really inexpensive for being organic. They were only like $2.99. Anyways, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys got some good inspiration. Let me know what dishes you guys are excited to make for this summer down in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already done that, because this has been a really fun series, and I upload all kinds of videos on mommy lifestyle, more menu planning inspiration like this video, and along with cleaning inspiration. So make sure you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any of that. Also, if you are interested in the Grove Collaborative campaign, I will have a link down below for you guys, as well as a free pair of Walnut Scrubbies for anyone who's an existing customer, but you do still want a little something. So there's something down there for you too. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all having a wonderful summer, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.